If postage stamp lots and letters from the dreaded HOA about your kids' toys and bikes in the yard at night keep you up, this video is for you. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just have real estate questions, give me a call or text at 239-450-5786. When my family moved down here in 2013, we looked at condo associations, we looked at townhomes, we looked at villas, we looked at all kinds of HOAs, but we never felt at home. When we started to look out here in the Golden Gate Estates, we realized that this was the kind of home and the place where our family could be a family. Today, I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons why the Golden Gate Estates could be perfect for your family. My first reason that the Golden Gate Estates is perfect for families is that your family can be a family. Without the overlooking HOA, your family can enjoy your property the way that you want to do it. Whether that's sitting at night around the fire pit, cannonballs into the swimming pool, or late night movies, or the birthday party or fireworks celebration for the 4th of July, you can enjoy your property the way that you want to. Now keep in mind that there are noise ordinances in Collier County and the noise needs to go down at 10 p.m. But you can celebrate your family the way that you want to celebrate your family. Another aspect of your family being your family is that if you enjoy toys like boats, RVs, campers, side-by-sides, whatever they be, you can store them on your property and no one is going to complain about it. If you work in a commercial type vehicle or you have a business, you can park your vehicles in your yards. There's no HOA Karen calling you to tell you that you can't park in your driveway. My second reason is probably the one that's closest to my heart, and that is your children can be children. When I was growing up outside of Philadelphia, we would spend all spring, summer, and fall outdoors, bike riding, playing wiffle ball, anything the imagination could come up with, we did outside. Today, partly because, in my opinion, of the HOA structures, children, well, they're stuck indoors and their imaginations are disappearing. But here in the Golden Gate Estates, with the minimum property being over an acre, you can literally have any size property, and that allows kids to have the freedom to be kids. We have space for bike riding, space for archery, space for t-ball, whatever it be, there's space in the yard for our children. Now my kids are all grown up. In fact, my daughter's just about to get married and my son is in college. He probably would get annoyed with me with saying this, but when we first moved out to Golden Gate Estates, he would spend hours trying to create fire in the backyard with a magnifying glass. Can't do that in an HOA, but you can do it in the Golden Gate Estates. Reason number 3 is that the Golden Gate Estates offers a path to self-sufficiency. Think eggs, meat, whatever you want to grow in your backyard, whether it be chickens, ducks, guinea, rabbits, you name it, you can raise it here in the Golden Gate Estates. Does milk sound good with those eggs? Here in the Golden Gate Estates, we are even allowed to have goats, and on the larger properties, you can absolutely have a horse if that is something that your family wants. But keep in mind that we are also in a tropical climate. Zone 10B allows us avocados, mangoes, bananas, pineapples, you name it. In the tropical fruits and vegetables, we can raise them here. But don't forget about the winter veggies. Everything that you grew up north can grow here in the Golden Gate Estates. So why is that important? Well, Maybe you're not that concerned about saving money of the grocery bill. Maybe you are. Maybe you're looking for ways for your children to learn how to be self-sufficient, provisions, and learn the skills to take care of themselves over the long term. Here in the Golden Gate Estates, we have the ability to be self-sufficient to the level that you are looking for. So now you may be asking yourself, Dan, that's only 3 reasons. Well, I could give you 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 reasons, and that's why I'm going to ask you to call me. Call or text me at 239-450-5786, and let's have a conversation about whether the Golden Gate Estates is right for your family. Now, if you say, Dan, I'd rather be in an HOA because we want the swimming pools, we want the tennis courts, we want the pickleball, we want the clubhouses. Well, I'll be glad to help you with that too. Golden Gate Estates isn't perfect for everybody. My job is to help you find the perfect home for your family. So call or text me today at 239-450-5786 and let's have that conversation. And if you've watched this video all the way to this point, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about my future videos. I promise to bring you content that will relate to you and your family here in Southwest Florida.